Imagine stepping into a tiny house that feels twice its actual size. It stays comfortable year round. It costs less to maintain and never leaves you wishing for more square footage. Most people think comfort comes from having more space, but that's the biggest misconception about tiny living. Comfort isn't measured in square feet, it's created through smart design, thoughtful habits, and small upgrades that eliminate daily frustrations. And the truth is that the happiest tiny house owners aren't the ones with the biggest homes. They're the ones who solved the little problems before those problems became constant annoyances. And if you're planning a tiny house or already living in one, these comfortable hacks can completely change how your home feels without adding expensive additions or extra square footage. And let's start with the temperatures because nothing ruins comfort faster than a house that's too hot or too cold. Proper insulation isn't glamorous, but it's single biggest upgrade you can make. High quality insulation in the walls, the floors, and especially the roof keeps temperatures stable while reducing the heating and cooling costs. Air sealing is just as important because even tiny gaps around windows, doors, and utility preparations or penetrations let outside air constantly invade your home. Pair that with insulated curtains or cellular shades, or you'll immediately notice a more consistent indoor climate. And ceiling fans also make a surprisingly difference by circulating air around and helping cool in summer and pushing warm air back down during the winter. And next comes humidity, something many new tiny house owners underestimate because tiny homes contain less air volume and moisture builds quickly from cooking, showers, and breathing. And excess humidity creates condensation, mold, and an uncomfortable sticky feeling. Installing a quality bathroom exhaust fan, using a kitchen vent whenever cooking, and running a small dehumidifier in humid climates keeps the indoor environment healthier and significantly more comfortable. And if you live somewhere dry, a compact humidifier during winter prevents dry skin and improves sleep. And lighting is another overlooked comfort factor. Instead of relying on one bright overhead light, layer your lighting. Use warm LED lights around seating areas, brighter task lighting in the kitchen, reading lights near the bed, and dimmable fixtures whenever possible. Warm lighting makes a tiny house feel cozy instead of cramped. And natural light matters even more. Keeping windows unobstructed whenever possible. Use light colored walls to reflect sunlight and install mirrors strategically to bounce the daylight throughout the home. And furniture is where many tiny houses fail too. Multifunctional furniture sounds great until it's inconvenient. A couch that takes 10 times to transform into a bed quickly becomes frustrating. Choose furniture that genuinely easy to use. Storage ottomans, lift top coffee tables, fold down desk and benches with hidden storage provide value without creating that extra work. And comfort means reducing the effort, not adding complicated routines. And speaking of storage, clutters is the fastest way to make a tiny house feel stressful. Everything needs a designated home. Vertical storage is your best friend. Use walls, doors, and even ceilings where appropriate, floating shelves and magnetic kitchen organization. Hanging baskets and under bed drawers maximize the space while keeping surfaces clear. And the less visual clutter you see, the larger and calmer your home feels. And the kitchen deserves special attention because it's one of the busiest spaces. Installing pull out pantry shelves prevents food from disappearing into dark corners. Magnetic knife strips feel valuable counter space. They free valuable counter space up. And stackable containers, they organize dry goods while reducing the wasted room. A cutting board designed to fit over the sink instantly creates additional prep space where needed. Even something as simple as hooks beneath cabinets for mugs or utensils make cooking smoother and more enjoyable. And your bedroom should prioritize sleep over aesthetics. Invest in the best mattress your budget allows because quality sleep impacts every part of your daily life. Blackout curtains improve reset rest by blocking early morning sunlight. And if storage exists beneath the bed, use lower profile bins to keep seasonal or items organized without creating that clutter elsewhere. Soft bedding, breathable sheets, supported pillows make a dramatic difference in comfort without requiring extra square footage. Noise control is another hidden comfort upgrade. Tiny homes amplify sound because everything is closer together. Rugs reduce the echo while making floors feel warmer. Fabric curtains absorb sound better than blinds blinds, doors, weather stripping blocks outside noise along with the drafts. And if your tiny house sits near roads or campgrounds, white noise machines or small fans create a consistent background sound that improves sleep and relaxation. And seating often gets overlooked too. Instead of squeezing in multiple uncomfortable chairs, choose fewer but higher quality seating options. And one supportive chair you'll actually enjoy is better than three cramped stools nobody wants to use. Outdoor living also dramatically expands comfort. A covered porch, awning, or a simple patio effectively creates another room without increasing indoor square footage. Comfortable indoor outdoor seating encourages you to spend more time outside while making the tiny interior feel less confined. Add in outdoor string lights and you'll create an inviting evening space for very little money. And organization routines matter just as much as physical upgrades. Spending 5 minutes every evening putting items back and where they belong prevents clutter from taking over. Small homes, they reward that consistency, and daily maintenance requires less effort than marathon cleaning sessions once everything becomes disorganized. Air quality deserves attention as well. Houseplants can improve the atmosphere while adding natural beauty, and through though avoid overcrowding your space with too many. Open windows whenever weather permits to bring in fresh air. Replace them HVAC filters regularly, and consider an air purifier if allergies are a concern. Clean air contributes directly to better sleep, fewer odors, and overall healthier environment. And smart technology can also improve comfort without consuming valuable space. Smart thermostats maintain ideal temperatures automatically. Motion activated lights eliminate fumbling in the dark, and smart plugs allow appliances to turn on and off with schedules, improving convenience while saving the energy. None of these gadgets are mandatory, but together they simplify the daily living, and water usage also affects the comfort more than many realize. Installing a high quality shower head creates a luxurious shower experience while conserving water. And instant hot water recirculation systems. That's another topic we need to hit on. Where it's practical, reduces waiting time and wasted water. Even upgrading your kitchen faucet to one with a pull down sprayer makes everyday chores noticeably easier. Don't ignore flooring either. Soft anti fatigue mats at the kitchen reduce strain during meal preparation. Area rugs add warmth underfoot while helping define different living zones. And if you're building from scratch, choosing flooring that's durable, easy to clean, and comfortable to walk on barefoot. And one of the biggest comfort hacks costs about almost nothing too. Simplify your possessions. Every unnecessary item completes for valuable space and creates that visual stress. Before bringing anything into your tiny house, ask whether it serves multiple purposes, gets used regularly, or genuinely improves your quality of life. If the answer is no, it probably doesn't belong there. And finally, personalize your home. Tiny houses, they feel comfortable because they reflect the people living inside them. Display meaningful photos, favorite books, artwork, or souvenirs that make the space uniquely yours without overwhelming it. Comfortable homes aren't defined by expensive finishes or luxurious appliances. They're built through hundreds of thoughtful decisions that reduce the stress, improve the convenience, and make everyday routines easier. And the biggest lessons experienced house homeowners do, they learn is that the comfort isn't about squeezing more into less space. It's about removing friction from daily life. Better lighting, cleaner air, smarter storage, quality furniture, good insulation, organized routines, and intentional design all combine to create a home that feels welcoming every single day. And when you focus on these practical comfort hacks instead of chasing more square footage, you'll discover that tiny living doesn't have to feel like a compromise. It can actually become one of the most comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable ways to live. Thanks for watching. And if you found value in today's video, please subscribe. We're looking to build our base here and serve more of you and talk more about tiny living in a positive light. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.